political parties would prefer to have the position where they govern alone. That's ideal, maybe so. But I've become a staunch supporter of coalition governments. Why? Because no party are entitled to claim that they've got all wisdom and they know the best. And the moment when you go into coalitions, you are forced to compromise, and I'm a great believer in combined decision-making and making compromises where the best ideas come onto the table. And in the Western Cape, if you look at the last result, I think the DA ended with, I think, approximately 55% in the last election. The reality is that we may end up with a coalition in the Western Cape. The Freedom Front Plus is growing in the Western Cape. Patriotic Alliance is growing in the Western Cape. But our intention is not for 1 second to put the ANC in power in the Western Cape. As a matter of fact, I think the ANC has given up on the Western Cape, and correctly so.